Hey there, HVAC repair guy here. You might know my background. I started as an electrician in nuclear power before spending 17 years in the HVAC industry. In the nuclear field, we didn't have room for error. Everything was about redundancy and technical precision. I'm bringing that same mindset to help you navigate a common homeowner dilemma. Today, we're tearing down the technical specs of two basic tear-ducted split heat pumps, the MRCOOL Signature series and the Trane 15 single stage. Both are built for homeowners who want reliable heating and cooling without the complex electronics of high-end inverter systems. First, let's talk about the build quality. Both the MRCOOL Signature and the Trane 15 come equipped with a louvered coil. In my book, that's a mandatory feature. A lot of budget units save a buck by using a simple wire guard, which leaves your condenser fins exposed to hail and lawnmower debris. These louvered panels act as a protective suit of armor for the coil. Inside the cabinet, both models are single stage, meaning the variable speed and two-speed compressor fields are a no in the data. When that thermostat clicks, the compressor pulls a massive amount of inrush current to get moving. It is not as smooth as a variable speed inverter, but it is simpler to repair. Efficiency-wise, the Trane 15 leads with an HSPF 2 rating of 8.5, while the MRCOOL Signature sits at 7.5. That extra efficiency in the Trane means lower monthly power bills when the winter frost sets in. Now for the price tag. For the equipment alone, a MRCOOL Signature setup is roughly $2,800 with an average professional installation landing around $7,500. Trane usually demands about $5,000 for the unit, and you can expect an installed price north of $11,000. Trane is manufactured in the USA, while the MRCOOL is a Chinese-made product, which explains a large chunk of that price gap. Before we finish, here is some field-tested advice. The best system is only as good as its maintenance. Keep those filters changed and that outdoor coil clear of debris if you want to see the full lifespan of either machine. Let's settle the warranty battle. Both brands offer 10 years on parts, but the compressor coverage is the game changer. Trane gives you 10 years, which is industry standard. But MRCOOL offers a lifetime compressor warranty on the Signature series. Even though the MRCOOL is the value play, a lifetime guarantee on the most expensive part of the system is a huge safety net for your wallet. So, who takes the trophy? For the homeowner's bottom line, the winner is the MRCOOL Signature series. While Trane offers superior efficiency and a USA build, the MRCOOL saves you nearly $4,000 upfront and backs the heart of the machine with a lifetime warranty. In the basic category, where price and long-term protection are king, MRCOOL provides a value combination that is hard to beat. If you want to shop like a pro, check out the comparison tools on the HVAC for Beginners website. I will see you on the next one.